Planning a day of sightseeing in Ibiza, but don't want to carry your luggage everywhere? Radical Storage makes it quick and secure to store your bags while you explore the island. In this guide, we'll show you how to easily deposit your luggage at one of Ibiza's luggage storage points using Radical Storage, a reliable platform that partners with local businesses to offer fully insured storage. Simply use the link in the guide to access the official Radical Storage site, ensuring you avoid phishing sites. Once there, enter Ibiza into the search bar to browse available storage points, conveniently located near popular attractions, transport hubs, or downtown areas. Choose your preferred location, select your drop-off and pick-up times, and proceed with a secure online payment. Radical Storage guarantees a safe booking process, so you can feel confident storing your bags. After booking, you'll receive a reference number and directions to your selected storage point. Upon arrival, show your reference to the staff, and your luggage will be securely stored. That's it. You can now explore Ibiza worry-free, knowing your belongings are in safe hands. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.